Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited to have you here again. Today's video is all about making a beautiful backdrop that is super easy, especially for beginners. So here's what you will need. You will need 12 spandex drapes, pipe cleaners, zip ties, any floral arch you like, 12 to 15 flower panels, and some extra embellishments. First thing first, you'll need a sturdy backdrop stand that you can adjust to 10 feet by 10 feet. To start, create a double layered backdrop by hanging 4 drapes in the back and 6 drapes in the front. Choose a nice design for your drapes. For example, you can cross the first 2 drapes and secure them with the pipe cleaners to the upright. Then attach the second set of drapes to the upper part of the upright. And finally, hang the third set over the first 2 drapes using pipe cleaners to secure them in place. Make sure to cover the sides of the pipes with the final 2 drapes so that your pipes are not exposed. Once your backdrop is set, it's time to add the floor panels to the arch. Use zip ties to secure them in place, arranging them to match the design of the arch for a cohesive look. Once you're happy with how it looks, when you're done, place the flower arch in front of your drape design, hiding the back of the arch. And there you have it, a stunning backdrop that's easy to create. Feel free to embellish your backdrop with brooches or additional flowers to personalize it even more. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.